So partnership और भी MCQs है। तो देखो A एंड B पार्टनरशिप, हैविंग पार्टनरशिप डीड, हैविंग नो पार्टनरशिप डीड, ठीक है, पार्टनरशिप डीड नहीं है, और दे इन्वेस्टेड सो दे इन्वेस्टेड 5 lakhs एंड 4 lakhs, तो दोनों ने 5 लाख और 4 लाख इन्वेस्ट किया है रेस्पेक्टिवली इनटू द बिजनेस। सो व्हाट इज द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल? So how much amount of the interest on capital will be allowed? तो normally देखो, if there is no partnership deed, nothing is mentioned about the interest, so no interest is provided, as earlier say that no interest on capital is provided, okay, because the partnership deed haven't been made. Now next, X is the manager of the firm entitled to get commission 10% on the net profit after charging such commission, okay, after charging such commission. So the after charging such commission, the net profit of the firm before charging commission is 5 lakh 50. So very simple, when it is mentioned that is after charging such commission, so the profit is 5 lakh 50 and it would be X plus 100 plus X. X is stand for commission percentage. So here X is equals to 10%. So the 5,50,000 into 10 by 110. So the answer will be 50,000. Hope it is clear. If a partnership with your fixed amount beginning of every month, so when it is beginning from every month, in earlier video I say that every month, beginning of every month, it will be 6.5. Ram Shohan are a partnership firm having a partnership deed, give a loan of 5 lakhs to the firm. At the end of the year, there is a loss incurred in the business. How much interest will be paid Soham by the firm? So as per Partnership Act, whether partnership firm arise profit or loss, whatever may be, the rate of loan must be 6%. If there is nothing is mentioned in partnership deed, it is as per Partnership Act. As per Partnership Act 1932. Okay, so as per Partnership Act 1932, the fixed rate, it is 6% per annum, will be provided. So here it will be 6%. Some theories question also. Which of these following are recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account? In the firm, interest on drawings were recorded, salary were recorded, interest on capital are recorded. That means the answer, all of them, all. Now move to question number 6. According to the profit and loss account, the net profit of the year is 3 lakhs. The total interest on the partner's capital is 30,000. Partner's salary is 20,000. The net profit as per profit and loss account. So what is the net profit as per profit and loss account? Suppose we have construct a profit and loss appropriation. So here the net profit will be come over here 3 lakhs, and here interest on cap, how much it will be? 30,000, and the salary also are there 20,000. So how much net divisible profit will arise? So very simple, 3 lakh, it is also 3 lakh. So that balancing figure will be 2,50,000. So net divisible profit NDP, your NDP is 2,50,000. Okay. Now move to question number 7. That the partnerships, there is a two partners, Sagarika and Niharika, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. The firm's profit is 1 lakh. So Niharika's share of profit will be, देखो, this is also a partnership act, that nothing is mentioned about the partnership deed, that nothing is mentioned in partnership deed, the profit sharing ratio. So whenever the profit sharing ratio is not there, the firm's profit will be shared between Sagarika and Niharika is the equal partner. They are the equal partner. Okay, always remember, nothing is mentioned, so they are the equal partners. Though the profit sharing ratio is divided between the Sagarika and Niharika is the ratio of 1:1. So here the question is, what is the Niharika share of profit? So simple as that, the total profit is 1 lakh. So 1:1, half of this Niharika. Now move to question number 8. That the Nishant and Niharika are partner sharing profit and losses ratio 3:2. The ratio is given. The before profit distribution, Nishant entitled to 4% net profit after charging such commission. 4% net profit before charging commission. The firm's profit is 52,000. So the Niharika's share of profit will be So here the firm's profit is 52,000. Remember, okay. So the firm's profit is 52,000. So it is a profit and loss account, and the commission, the Nishant entitled commission 4% on the net profit. Okay. After charging such commission. So the commission will be calculated after charging. I always say after charging means 42,000 into the percentage is 4. So 4 by 104. How much it will be? 52,000 divided by 104 into 4. So it is 2,000. Okay. So the firm's profit or a net divisible profit will be, the net divisible profit is 50,000. Now what is the ratio? $50,000. So it is 3:2. The ratio is 3:2. So therefore 50,000 into what is Niharika. So the Niharika's share of profit is 2/5. So 2/5 of 50,000 is 10,000. So it will be 20,000. So here our answer is 20,000. Hope it is clear. So 50,000, 52,000 is a net profit of the firm. This is PL approved. Now move to question number 9. AXYZ are the partnership firm, profit sharing losses ratio 3:2:1. So there is a 3 partner. Y salary is 20,000. Firm's profit is 110,000. How much in total Y is received? How much total Y is received? So see, again 110,000 is a net profit, and Y salaries are there. Y salaries are there 20,000. Okay. So the rest of the profit, how much? Less net divisible profit is 90,000. Okay. So what is the ratio of profit sharing ratio? The profit sharing ratios of Y. So Y will get 90,000. What is the XYZ? So 90,000 is the profit. So the profit portion is 3256. 2/6 of 90,000, that is 30,000. और Y को क्या मिला? कमीशन भी मिला. Y को कितना? 20,000. So all together Y को कितना क्रेडिट होगा? 50,000. So here it is 50,000. See, they are asking not the profit. Y will receive from the firm. So from the firm he will receive the salary or the commission of rupees 20,000. Sorry, salary, and the part of the share of profit. Y share of profit. This is also share of profit. So the share of profit is 30,000. So altogether it is 5%. Oh, so hope